So here's how to export Teams chat history. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and then search Microsoft Export My Data. Click on this first link. Export or delete your data in Microsoft Teams. This is Microsoft.com support page. Scroll down and click on this option. Export and delete your messages, call log and media from chats and communities. Then click this export page link. A new tab will open. Now sign into your Microsoft account by entering your email and password. Click yes if you want to stay signed in so you don't have to sign in again next time. I am clicking no for now. This is the page to export my data. I will select chat history to export. This includes sent and received chat messages. You can also select media if you want to export it. Then click submit request. You can see your export is prepared. You can check back soon to download it. Click continue. Chat history requested and it's pending. You can download your chat history from here soon. This is how you can export Teams chat history.